Good morning, you guys. I'm about to show you something that I've been doing on a regular, trying to up my iron. It hasn't worked, but I know nutritionally it's helping my body get some nutrients, so I wanted to share it with you. And again, in the corner with my blender. So into my blender, I'm going to make a concoction that is really good for me. I want to tell you I appreciate all your tips that you did yesterday. As far as telling me how to up my iron. Fresh spinach, I'm going to take the rest of this actually. It's about a cup full. I'm going to put that right into my blender. Very high in iron. So to that, I'm adding, you heard me with this thing. These are the core of the pineapples that I had when I cut up a pineapple. So I treat them as ice cubes right now. If I can get the baggie open. And I put those right in. I'm going to put the whole core because it's loaded with bromamine or bromamine or however you say it. And that's going in as vitamin C as well as this little tangerine. I read all along that if you have your iron, spinach, red meats, which I have been eating more red meat and more than usual. I make a grass-fed I make 4 grass-fed patties, hamburger patties a week that are 4 ounces. And I eat them in a week. I eat 4 hamburgers. That's a lot more than I normally do. I eat fish. I eat chicken. I'm doing all the things. I'm exercising. I'm exercising a lot, eating right. I'm trying with my supplements. So I'm going to put a couple strawberries in, and they're going to go right into. So I appreciate all of the insight yesterday. Apparently, I guess I'm going to need an iron infusion. These are big strawberries. I'm thinking 3. So I have, I'm babbling. I have anemia, very bad, and my iron levels have been wonderful since having bariatric surgery, which low iron is a side effect of bariatric surgery, but I didn't have it. My iron levels were great. I have all the past results up until February's double mastectomy. A tablespoon of chia seeds is going in for some protein and some fiber. I'm just putting 1 in because this is going to be a supplement for me this morning. And I'm going to do a scoop of Flavcity's strawberry flavored protein shake. This has whey protein and collagen and just all good for you things. And I'm also going to put in 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. I put it in this container to keep it fresh. And it is fresh, and it helps you go to the bathroom. So that's one of the reasons I'm putting it in. So to this, so that's a cup of spinach, a tangerine, the pineapple core, 3 strawberries, strawberry protein powder. To this, I'm going to add a glass of water until I cover those. It's going to make a lot. And then I'm going to blend it. So bear with me. And that's it. So it makes a lot. It makes 2 of these giant glasses. And I'm going to drink it over the next half an hour. So in this, I read that iron is best absorbed with vitamin C. So I have the spinach and the pineapple, strawberries, tangerines, vitamin C, iron, flaxseed, and chia seeds. And then the protein powder also has iron in it. And I'm going to start my day with this before I take any supplements. I have tried to do everything nutritionally. I guess I'll find out more on Wednesday. Sorry for my look. Like I just woke up a little while ago. And I just want to share with you how to juice anything you have. Like this is a good time to get rid of your produce drawer. I like cucumbers. Oh, I forgot to put celery. I want to put celery in that because that also helps with your digestive system. Next time, I'll do celery. Have a great day. This is a start your day off and pump up your volume juice, we'll call it.